My name is Koty Sparks. I'm a project manager for America's Home Place working out of the Gainesville office. The project manager foresees the construction of the home from start to finish and deals with customer relations, answering any questions, ensuring basically everything they got on the contract goes into the house and gets done the way that they are satisfied with. Common concerns that customers have with building a home is going over budget, essentially. But that's one of the great things about America's Home Place is that, we're not cost plus, we are, set price. The only thing that's not guaranteed is the allowances, the site costs. Essentially, they can feel a little more comfortable with the money that they're spending, knowing that they're not gonna have any out-of-pocket expenses, typically. I think America's Home Place has a wonderful reputation because we take care of our customers. From start to finish, during the sales process, all the way till the end when we settle them, we make it a big deal. Just make them feel special and just kind of make the experience something they've never experienced before.